All right, guys, it's Kirsten. So let's jump right in. Control J, get that lasso tool. Whoops, like that looks different. So I'm still getting the hang of the Warp 2020. I like the old Warp better, I feel. Oh, good Lord. I need to make it bigger. Hang on. Hold the shift key down and bring that down a little bit more. Okay, let's see. Then edit, transform, warp. Okay, so in the olden days, you could just but now it gets all wonky. Um, the pins don't work like Puppet Warp. It's all different. Oh my gosh, my dog is crying. Do you want a bath? That makes him go hide. Okay. Like before, it would just be little, 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 and now it's like really super crazy. Okay. Like it's, oh, there we go. So you have to use all these little pins, blah, blah, blah. All right, I'm just going to hit the check mark. Let's get rid of that. I just sent Aaron Nace a message going, can you make me a tutorial? Um, okay, so one thing I'm going to do on this layer, just because this is what I do with pretty much everything, I'm going to make a layer mask, Control I to invert it. I'm going to get a white brush at 100%. It's not totally soft. It's kind of like, okay, 24%. No, see, this is just crap. This, to me, no. Okay, we're going to Control Z, go back to the mask, Control I, get a black brush. This doesn't look natural for shit. Oh my god. No, this is just terrible. I have to go. Oh my god. All right, I'm going to wait for Aaron to write back to me and go from there because this is like just a steaming turd.